Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to download travel Lexmark. This here for Syria. This here for your type here the travel download travel download. This is why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website lexmarks.com. You click here. This here for the landing page, the website. This for the printer. You scroll down, looking for the title, driver, and support. Click here for the title, and this one. This here for a new landing page loading, and this here for the title, driver, and download. Click here for your title, and this here for a search device model print, and this here for my universal model print. And click find driver and download. This here for your driver download and take your automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10, and this here recommended for me and Windows for the Windows 10 driver. If you need change the operating system, you click here, and this here for the operating system for the Linux and Mac and Windows. I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for the version, you click here. This here for update for the Linux version, and this is for the new version for Fedora. This is for OpenSUSE, Red Hat, and this is for Ubuntu. And if you need like buy one your version Linux the transfer, and click here, and this is for update your the release your transfer. And this video I make sure for you for the Mac, and this is for Mac version. This click here, and this is for new update for Mac, and this is for Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13, and this is for Mac 10. And if you need like show, I'm sure for you for the Mac 12, and this here for Mac 12, driver printer and skin printer for you. You're looking here. This is for a new that really support your the firmware and driver. And this video I'm going to talk about for Windows 11, like here for the Windows, and this here for version Windows 11, in this here for a new version for the Windows 11, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this is for Windows 7 support. And this video I'm going to download driver for Windows 11, like here for Windows 11, and looking here, this here for that release new that really support your Windows 11, and this here for the Linux and this what I am recommendation for you download for the package, and this here for the package not universal, and this here for package software printer, and this here and package print PostScript for the emulation driver package, and I am a recommendation for you to download for universal, and this universal support your software, your firmware, and this here for your driver, and this here for your scanners. I am recommendation for you to download for the package, and looking for the title the universal print driver installation package, and click here, and I click here for button start download, and this here for your driver download. And this one this here for the finish for the work. If you finish for the work, you put cable USB to laptop or PC without USB cable pins, and this one finish for the work. If you finish the work, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic here USB. Okay, and I am tutorial install for you. You turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, detect USB cable printer, and this one finish the folder load. If you finish the folder load, you double click here for driver, and you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need learn a lot below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.